This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending December 24th, 2022. Our question this week is, what are altcoins? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.53% on Friday and was up 0.86% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.59% on Friday, but was down minus 0.2% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.21% on Friday, but was down minus 1.94% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 9 up finishes versus 6 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday and Thursday, all the major indexes finished down. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, they all finished up. New unemployment claims were 216,000 versus 220,000 expected. Home builder sentiment dropped for the 12th month in a row. Home sales tumbled more than 7% in November. Mortgage refinance demand surged 6%. Treasury yields rose after Japan loosened its bond yield cap. And the House also passed the $1.7 trillion government funding bill. New unemployment claims, home builder sentiment, home sales tumbling, mortgage refinance demand surging, Treasury yields rising, and Congress passing a $1.7 trillion government funding bill are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up when the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the president, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we're at our question of the week. What are altcoins? The word altcoin is a combination of 2 words, alternative and coins. Alternative means available as another possibility, and the word coin refers to money. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created to solve a global monetary problem. That problem is governments continuously print more money that is not backed by anything. This is called fiat money. Money used to be backed by gold, but it isn't anymore. U.S. money is backed by U.S. economic and military power. Whenever governments print more money, the value of the money already in the economy goes down. When money loses value, the cost of everything goes up. In short, it takes more dollars to buy the same items because more dollars are issued. This is also called inflation. The U.S. is the greatest money printer on earth. It prints more than any other government, and there seems to be no end to U.S. money printing. When Bitcoin becomes more widely accepted, Bitcoin will be able to hold on to its value because there is a limited number of how many Bitcoins can ever possibly exist. 21 million Bitcoins is the limit. There is no limit on how many US dollars can exist. And I'm not sure what problems altcoins solve, as most of them are considered to be like stocks. They are financial securities that have been created and controlled by a central issuing authority. There is no limit to how many altcoins that can be created and issued. Altcoins are called cryptocurrencies, but they only seem to confuse people about what is Bitcoin and what is everything else. Altcoins are not Bitcoin, and they never will be. Do you own altcoins? Do you own Bitcoin? Do you invest in stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you don't understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI. That is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which way the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending December 24th, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was United States Oil Fund LP, ticker symbol USO. It's in the second column. It was up 2.39% on Friday and increased 6.81% for the week. The fund seeks to reflect the performance of the spot price of West Texas Intermediate light sweet crude oil by investing in future contracts for light sweet crude oil, other types of crude oil, diesel heating oil, gasoline, natural gas, and other petroleum-based fuels. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that USO has increased 27.52% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from USO, but I have in the past. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comments section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System is outperforming the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY. The Southside Portfolio is down minus 2.6% versus minus 19.38% down for SPY, a difference of 16.78%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 17%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 5.83% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by minus 13.8%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by minus 0.09%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained 0.72% this past week and continues to be in a bear market. It is down almost 76% from its all-time high achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on 4 positions this week. There were 4 puts that ranged from $13.35 to $84.69. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists levels 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is for beginners, and level 2 for intermediate. Level 3 is for more advanced investors and traders. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe.